Hey everybody, Frank Bagnall here from Grizzly Man Outdoors. It's a cold morning. Actually, it's heated up, but with the heat came the snow, as we know in Minnesota. Today I'm gonna go out there and brave these elements out here. Cue the video. Then we'll go try to catch some ice fish. We're gonna catch some fish ice fishing. It's a little local pond. I'm not going to tell you spot, it's my hidden spot, but I'm excited to show you guys along the way. And let's get after it. We just set up the house and everything. Sorry you guys missed out on that. Let's head out there. Lamb Jr., baby. We made it. Nice and warm in here. I let the heater run for a little while before we came in here. Good call on my part. A little snowy out there. It's nice and warm in here, so let's get after it. Stay tuned. I think I might switch over to the GoPro now, but I'm gonna use both cameras. So just stay tuned. I'm going to try to get the best audio for you guys. And should be not bad because there's no wind in here. But let's get after it. Grizzly Man Outdoors, baby. Got one, folks. Little one, I think. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's a little sunny. Not bad. Second fish of the day. First one on you guys for camera. About 10 minutes into this and we're already getting some action, so that's a good sign. A little sunny. Hopefully we can upgrade here. My little brother's about to come out. He's about to bring out some crappie minnows and larger minnows, so maybe we'll get some bass and crappie. The key is making sure you are active as can be with your hook. They don't want to just sit there and stare at it. They want to see that thing twitching. The wax worm isn't just enough. You know, got a little, not much of a presentation there, but gotta add a new wax worm like I got mine. But I'm not even using live wax worms. That might be part of it too. These guys froze overnight. Oopsies. But what works. Hey, I caught a fish. See if I can catch a few more, huh? Hey folks, it's the next day here. Out here with Jack. He's over there. You can't see him, but the other day didn't really go as planned. It was a kind of a windstorm. Kind of got too cold. But now we got 2 heaters out here, and let's see what we can get after. It's a little windy out. This spot before has caught a few crappie, caught some bass, caught some sunny, but we got a tip up out there. Maybe we'll get one out. Maybe we'll get a nice bass out there. We got some maggots, we got some crappie minnows, so we'll just see what's going on here, but stay tuned. There we go. Pretty good sized sunfish, actually. Not bad. Not bad. Pretty fish. Very pretty fish. See you, buddy. Folks, I didn't have the camera on for this one, but man, that is a pretty big old slab right there. Holy crap. Nice fish there, folks. Nice fish. Kind of a little wax worm. It's a little dark out there, but let's see if we can get some more. Wait, I want to take a picture with my phone. Don't! Oh, just use the fish to save it. Oh man. Boom, baby. Boom. Boom, we found them. We found them, folks. Boom. Nice. Can you take a picture of me? Please? Oh, this is a big one. Hey. Wow, can't see the fish. One more. I think the key is a little twitch, you know. Some people like a bigger call, but I like to use the little twitch call because I think the larger you get, the more unrealistic it is, but hey, that's just me. Jack's over there watching YouTube videos. I'm over here catching fish.
I'm trying to catch fish.
Looks like it. There we go. Another one, baby. Just a consistent crappie bite, which is that's all right with me. I'll never complain about that. Sorry for the terrible lighting, folks. There we go. There we go. Sweet, thanks. Like 2 feet, 3 feet. I'm just twitching it a little bit, and then then they're just coming. And if they bite and I miss it, I twitch it a little more, and then bam. It's been pretty consistent. Some big ones in here too. There we go. Another little crappie. Jack, you want to flash me quick? Another little crappie here. Sorry for the poor lighting, folks. It's gotten pretty dark and we forgot our lantern, but they're biting pretty consistent off the bottom, 3 feet off the bottom here on the waxworms. Pretty pumped about it. This one's a little smaller one. We've gotten some big ones though. Jack, go ahead and give us a diagnosis of how we're catching fish tonight.
Well, right now we got slip bobber with a little waxworm and a jig head hook, just bouncing it off the bottom. Typically 2 to 1 foot, 1 to 2 feet.
And actually, if they bite, you get a bite and and they're not hitting it good enough, I actually raise my slip a little bit. And it's actually helped me out, bring them up a little bit. Keep going, Jack.
I'm just jigging with a little crappie spoon, a little waxworm on the tip. Not catching anything, but he is, so
yeah.
Stick with it.
Yeah.
It's a little bright.
How deep you think it is down there, Jackie?
I'd say 10 feet.
10 feet, 10 feet. Alrighty, folks.